I think we are live. Hello and welcome to this live session. It's a live trading New York session. Today, the 12th of January, Monday, first day of the week. So we have 2 minutes for the market to open. By the way, this is Jeff, the founder of DC Trades. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel if it's your first time, and let's start. Actually, today the market actually crashed for like 400 points, 440 points since the open. There was some bad news, which is Jerome Powell is getting sued by the Dodge or DOG. Test. Okay. So, and he came out with a video. He's complaining that Donald Trump is attacking him and stuff. I'm really not sure how that will affect the market. Actually, it's not really good when there is a fight between the Fed and the government. And let's see. I'll just have one position. Let me see how much the market was moving before. It's huge moves. I think I will just go for half contract for now. They will keep adding in case the market went my direction. Because when you see that the pre-market has some huge moves. Yeah, the market is open. Actually, I want to bet on the downside of the market. Let's see how many points in here. Oh, 60 points. The market is so aggressive today. The volatility is so high, so we'll just go with really quarter of contract actually. I'm going short here. Let's go to a bigger time frame. Maybe my target will be just somewhere in here. My stop loss will go up here. And let's see. Yeah, we're already in profit. Hopefully the market will keep pushing to the downside. Actually, I want to add to the first position. Give me a little bit more time. Fuck, fill up of shit. I'll just close this one. Need some good fill. Or else I will just let it run. So my stop loss to break even in case the market bounce all the way back here, then we can try to find another entry. Hello buddy. Sorry, I actually fall asleep after the London session. I had a really long nap. I was not able to see your message. I just see it like few minutes before I went live. And we will talk about that later. The market is really moving hard today. So let's see if it will stop. Yeah, but it was very, very powering up. It was like overnight sleep. For 3 or 4 hours. I'm not sure how can I sleep at night. Yeah, the market is really pushing hard to the downside. Actually, we have only 1 minute for the first 5 minutes to close. I will take some profit here, and I will wait for a pullback. See the second 5 minutes how it will do. Then maybe I will go half contract this time. I have a little bit of buffer. So we have 30 seconds. Let's have a look at the 1 minute chart. Did we catch a really big move? But I just want to give it the first 5 minutes just to see if the direction will continue. I want to have some pullback to this area so I can open another sell for contract. Yeah, that's what I want actually. Another short here. Actually, it's supposed to be filled a little bit higher than that. So now the market is trying to push higher, but I don't think it will succeed. This first 5 minute momentum was really strong. Yeah, it was quick, but I think today moves will be huge. So hopefully we can get nice move with a little bit bigger size. So if I only waited a little bit, I will have better entry here. Yeah, it's huge volatility. Well, there will be some more sellers in this level. If there is none, then I will get out of this position and wait for some time. Actually giving back my last position. I already give it back. So we just be a little bit patient and wait. Okay, we have 2 more minutes for this second 5 minute to close. We need to see in this last 1 minute some rejection and continuation to the downside, or else I think our wrong side will be confirmed for this entry actually. Okay, this is the last 1 minute. Yeah, the price is really pushing hard to the upside. It's already reversed all the losses from the first 5 minutes. We have a few more seconds. Let's see how does it look like. Oh, it starts getting painful. I think I will be out. Yeah, I think I had a very ugly entry. And I will just close and wait. What a tail. I really want to see some closing or some return to this level. Yeah, it's around like 200 points in the first 5 minutes, and it was all reversed. Let's see. Yeah, and the price now is heading to all-time high again. Let's see what's going on with the Nasdaq. Yeah, the Nasdaq is just going higher. Just stick with the okay, the first few minutes was a little bit tricky. Actually, this line here, which is 49,500, that was the closing of yesterday, or closing of Friday. The market was looking really so weak, but suddenly everything like turned back. But it's only the start of the session. We still have more time to analyze and see what we're gonna do. This is just crazy, a roller coaster. Points. Thinking I will go short again here. And my stop actually for this position will be just previous stop. I think if I hit this stop loss, I will not be able to trade. Oh, I was close with slippage. Page 30, so I still have I'm down 50. Really hard to read this kind of market. A week in a Dow Jones of like 200 points, 250, that one day move normally when the market is okay. Hopefully you can see some really crazy move to the downside. I will swing this trade. Let's go back to the 5-minute. Yeah, the volatility is really crazy. Yeah, I'm getting stopped out, I think, within a few seconds. Price revisited the high again. Yeah, that's crazy when you see the Nasdaq is like very bullish and the Dow is very bearish, or the opposite, I mean. Normally they should have some correlation, not they are going like the opposite side. Even it's like different stocks in each of them, but the sentiment is the same. The traders that trades Dow Jones is the one trading Nasdaq as well. Let's get a little bit space from this noise. Volatility is so high. There is somehow a little bit of resistance here trying to push the price up. But any breakout back to this first 5-minute zone will be, I think, to the downside. And what the gold is doing, actually doing nothing. Nasdaq is trying to push back higher. Actually, I'm afraid I will just be stopped above this swing and the market will go my direction as always. So hopefully they will not give it a chance to sweep that liquidity. This is actually the first pullback today. So I will just maybe I will close this position. I will wait for a better entry. Let's go to the 1-minute chart. Yeah, it's coiling. One more push to the downside, I will get out. And I will wait for maybe another entry at the beginning of the next hour. Actually, I couldn't understand why there is a resistance in here. Are they making some fake resistance just to swap, or because it doesn't match with any other level, or just like this? That was the first swing of the day. Okay, we are stopped out again, so let's just chill and watch. Actually, weird price action. How many trades we got? 3. We still have 2. How many points to the open or closing of Friday? 60 points. There was some pullback from this, maybe. Actually, the measure is maybe this one in the 4-hour chart. Okay, are we going maybe to flip the switch and go long? I don't feel like. Let's see some tube level from the high of all-time high actually to this pullback. We are just at 61.8. Okay, let's just watch. I think this week there will be some earnings announcement. That price is still going higher and higher. Actually, today there is some earnings, and most of the earnings actually for the Dow Jones company is coming negative, or let's say the estimate. The market is going high, whatever. It's really hard to trade when you see this flash crash and back again up. I'm afraid they will jump, then the sellers will get in again. So let's see. The first 1 hour was very bullish. So actually pulled back to the first swing of the day. I want to see if this 15 minutes will be able to close below this price here, which is 49,291. see. I don't want right now actually to have any bias, only after I see the price action. Really long entry from here would have been good, but when you see that the overall the day was bullish and just spike onto the open, it's really difficult to know where the market is heading. This will be, I think, my last position. I'm getting ready for one full contract. I just need to find where to enter. I will go short here. Oh, I did not follow up. Oh, I'll just jump in the mix 1 minute. Fuck. Well, I did not. Oh, something wrong. I feel annoyed. Should be in here. Should be in sell. But it's okay. Maybe I will call it a day. I'm a little bit annoyed that I don't want to trade anymore. Just go have something to do. Thank you for being here, and we'll see you tomorrow. Maybe I need to take some break for some time. And see you tomorrow. will have some rest today, clear my brain, and let this market settle before we start. Thank you. Yeah, man. I don't know. It's not about the loss. It's just I'm annoyed. Maybe I slept too much. I'm getting a little bit pissed. So it's okay to to have emotion and to get mad, but it's fine. So just stop trading, and tomorrow again we'll see you. I will chat you later in private, man. You just need really some break. I will have some maybe coffee or something for a few hours before I go back to this market. Maybe I will not go back again. Yalla, take care. We'll see you again. Thank you for being here, and see you tomorrow.